Once again, we try. Stuck in this orange thing. Going through the same steps like last time. Turns off on its own, resets itself, goes to 55, 28, something is posting, press F2, wow, I'm posting, man, wow. Debug LED control, TPM on. I don't understand all these things, but looks like the reset worked. So now I'm gonna disconnect everything and try it again. I have no idea what to do next. CPU ratio, memory, CPU temperature is normal, which is great, and the mouse is working, which is great as well. BIOS update is last November. CPU base clock is very debug LED control. I don't know what to do with that. MS BIOS English. Now I need my keyboard. I need my keyboard to easy LED is on. Debug LED control. I didn't really care about this. Okay, this debug LED, debug code LED is on, which is great. Memory. Let's go into memory. The RAM is 4000, 1.25 volts, DDR5, G-Skill. So all the memory is being realized. The storage is there. Storage is not there on board current server. The storage should be there. Even I mean, I have a XCMP is 56 megahertz. But where's my hard disk, my NVMe, I don't see it. UEFI hard disk, I don't understand where is my hardware monitor. So fan info, CPUM fan, CPU storage fan, that is great. Memory, CPU is great. Eco 16, so this CPU is good. Memory is good, but I don't see the damn thing. I don't see the this one here. FireCuda. Where is that FireCuda? That's supposed to have 4 terabytes of memory. This is a fan info. Game boost. This is a fan. This is storage. Onboard device current mode. This is onboard device current mode. Oh, this is like a game boost thing. Is on AB. I have to figure out what is. System will auto reboot and enter flash mode. No, I don't want to do that. Hardware monitor. I don't see the NVMe drive. Where is the NVMe drive? CPU pump. There's no other pump, which is great. CPU socket, system, MOS, temperature, NVMe drive is not working or what? I don't know where to see it. NVMe drive. Just gonna close this and my NVMe drive advanced. Hardware monitor. No, I don't see it. I don't see where is the this NVMe drive. I don't see it. Motherboard setting. System. Get FireCuda. Oh, okay. So this is M2.1. So this one is there. It looks like it is recognizing the settings, system status. Seagate FireCuda is there. It's 4000. Boot priority, UEFI, USB, no, USB key, no. Okay, boot priority will be Windows, will be I haven't put what is the boot priority yet. So go back to this one. Extreme memory profile disabled. How do I get out of this one? I don't know how to get out of this. Okay, I was in advanced mode. Alright, that's why. Now I want to see if I can. This is the hard disk CD drive, USB hard disk, and there's another CD drive, USB key, floppy, and network. So looks like this thing is working. It looks like, but somehow here, there's 2 pages to this. Gee, man, I almost missed it. There's 4 terabyte hard drive, okay. So I don't know. So everything looks like working. All right, power off.